Hi guys, Brian here, and it's been a while since I've done my last video, but I'm back here with two new Jurassic World toys. Let's start with the one on the left. This is the Jurassic World Chaos Theory Strike Attack Gigantus Spinosaurus. Oh, I'm sorry, this is actually the Strike Attack Hoyungosaurus. I know, I kind of thought it was Gigantus Spinosaurus, but it's actually the Hyungosaurus, because both of these look pretty similar to each other, and we'll get to it why. But yeah, this is the Strike Attack Hyungosaurus in the Jurassic World Chaos Theory line. This is the front. The sides are basically just kind of not interesting, and the back over here shows action feature and some of the dinosaurs you can get. Alright, let's open this one up. Alright, the Jurassic World Strike Attack Gigantus Spinosaurus. Oh, it's still connected. Alright, finally got it out. This is the Jurassic World Strike Attack Hyungosaurus. I like the design on this one. I think the pose is a bit interesting because its tail is basically just kind of like it's very high to the sky or something like that. I like the paint job on this one. It has these green little spots and the plates as well, and these very long looking spikes for here, the shoulders, and this thagomizer, which is not sharp, but it's very rubbery. The head looks pretty good. I also like it has some scars on it. There's one on the leg, and I think, yeah, there's one like on the body. There's some on the face as well too, if you notice. Right there. And for the articulation, it's mostly very simple. The front legs can just move like this, and the hind legs, they can't spread, but they can just move. For the action feature, you just move the tail up and down, and its head also moves up and down. You can do the opposite. You can just move its head up and down. Its tail does up and down movement. Looks, I mean, it's not the best action feature, but it's pretty good. Sorry about that. Let me compare it to the Gigantus Spinosaurus. These two look kind of similar. These two are pretty similar, but they're obviously different. Obviously, stance is different. Hyungosaurus has more spikes and plates than the Gigantus Spinosaurus. I think the reason why I kind of confused them was because, well, I think obviously they're both, I think, stegosaurids. I think the little spike or like spines on the sides kind of confused Hyungosaurus for Gigantus Spinosaurus, which I'm sorry about that, but both of these still look really good. But I like the Hyungosaurus more than the Gigantus Spinosaurus. Alright, the scan code is over here. See if you want to scan it, that's the scan code. Alright. And the second one, let me just move this box. The second one is a very bizarre pterosaur. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but I think it's the Thapungaka. I always say Thwangapa, but I think it's Thapunga or something like that. I'll just call it the Thapunga. That is a really hard name to spell, but let's call it the Thapunga. So the Thapunga, over here, the front and the back, and let's just take out this pterosaur. Alright, kind of hard to, oh gosh, take out for the package because the legs over here are actually really small. But I got it out. So the Thanpunga it looks really bizarre. As these rips on the wings. The head looks crazy. Look at those teeth. Let me just open its mouth up. Yeah, look at those teeth. And also has this really interesting tail with this yellow sort of like, I don't know, pattern. And these patterns on the wings as well, too. It has these really small legs. Its legs are really small. I like the design on this one. Paint isn't really the best, but it's still pretty good. For the articulation, the mouth just opens and closes, and these really small legs can just not really rotate, but they do move. For the action feature, you like push down his tail, and then it flaps his wings. So it looks like it's flying. This is a really bizarrely cool pterosaur, and might be one of the most unique. I've never heard about this Thangpunga, but this looks really good. Comparison with the Hyungosaurus, I'm not sure which one I like the best. I mean, for design, I like the Thangpunga, but for